All right. Must-have skills, number 19. What is it? It is shooting while your feet are a-moving. Every one of our courses, be it pistol tune-up course up to the S12 Dudes Weekend, Couples Weekend level courses that are very immersive, or any of our 2- and 3-day pistol rifle courses, we shoot while we're moving. Why? My buddy Aaron Cooper, Strong Ranger on Instagram, he likes to say, hey man, train beyond whatever it is you think you may need, because the day that you are called upon, you will not be found wanting. For example, if you think you're gonna have to walk 5 miles, train to do 20. If you think you might have to do 10 push-ups, train to do 50. If you think you're gonna have to shoot the A zone on a target, right, that big, train to shoot something this big or this big. It's only gonna make you better. We tend to train, especially now, this modern training world, we want to look fast, we want to look cool. There's a low degree of accuracy required for a lot of stuff I see people doing. What's the point? The number one purpose of this tool, above all else, is to put a projectile into an intended target or onto an intended target. So whatever's coming out of this barrel, the whole purpose of this thing is to help a human being put a hole in something that needs a hole. That requires good old-fashioned marksmanship. So I want to talk today really quick about some super secret tips and tricks for moving while shooting. Nope, they're not secret at all. But in our courses, guys, we have people shooting at 5-7 yards and farther while moving, hitting targets that big reliably. Your job while moving is to keep the gun steady. So I came up with a really high-tech, basically I'm probably gonna patent this. I'm gonna have to get a hold of Mike over at CERT and let them know that I'm modifying his gun. Literally, I took some hot glue, which you saw in the video here, and I put a bowl on it. I'm about to fill this bowl full of water, and I'm gonna walk with it. And I'm gonna keep that water from spilling out. That is really all that we're looking for. We add a lot of discussion to the shooting and moving thing. Your whole job is to make yourself a solid platform to hold the gun. Well, Mick, in reality, I wouldn't move like that. Well, then take off running, get to cover, and use your gun. If you are trying to shoot while moving and you want some reliable level of accuracy, you have to make your body a good platform for the gun. All we humans are in this equation between gun and person, all we really are, we're a sighting mechanism and we are a vise to lock that gun down. And we can be basically a turret, right? Mobile. So I need to be a vise that allows that sight to line up with whatever needs a hole in it and press the trigger while that's happening. No, nobody's behind the camera. I'm alone. It's on a tripod, so don't freak out. We're gonna take a bowl of water. I'm gonna go fill that bowl of water, and we are going to try to hold our arms out in front of us just as we would with a gun and not spill that water. This is not earth-shattering stuff, but I guarantee if you try this in your garage, your basement, your living room, whatever, you will start to feel how you need to move. Your knees begin to bend and absorb some of the bounce of walking. If you have your body erect and upright, it's going to be easier. If your eyes are horizontal to the horizon line or wherever you are moving, you're gonna find it easier not to dump that water. Mick, I'm not carrying water, I am carrying a pistol. No shit. But if I can keep that water from spilling, I'm probably gonna be doing a better job of keeping my sights from bouncing around. You ready to see what that looks like? Now, fill the bowls up. I like that. Oh my, it's already hard. Now I've got the bowl. I'm gonna use good posture, body upright. Gonna keep some flex in the knees. Hips are loose. Gun, or in this case, bowl, up at eye level where my sights would be. And I'm just gonna move towards the target and back to you, just moving in a forward and backwards motion. Ready? Gun up or bowl, and let's just move. Heel hits the floor, then the toe. Heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. Turn. Come right back to you. Good body posture. Don't just walk around with a bowl of water. Think about what you're doing. Heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. You know what else you can do while you're doing this? You can dance. Yeah, this is dance moves. Anybody that learns to dance or gets good at dancing, and I'm not a great dancer, but people that have dance skills, practice them. They practice the moves. Somebody like Fred Astaire practiced dancing, practiced making their feet, their hips, their body do certain things to look a certain way. You are making your body dance so that you can hold a muzzle flat, or not even flat, but to align sights or dot on whatever needs a hole in it while you're moving. That is the dance. It's a deadly dance, but it is a dance that if you apply conscious thought, you can get good at it. Let's keep working. Make sure you're breathing. My core is tight. My core is not loose. I feel my core engaged as I'm walking and moving. Now let's talk about going backwards. So as we go backwards, toe, heel, toe, heel. Got a little spill, toe, heel, toe, heel. Come around. What are you doing in the basement? I'll be up in a minute, Mom. Toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Not hard, guys. Let me grab that cert real quick. Let's try that. Good grip. I want to grip it just the way I would. If I sound funny, I'm using a mount that holds my phone in my teeth. Here we go. Move. 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 Don't spill. Move. 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 Oh. Press in. Go back the way we came. Good footwork. Good footwork. Heel to toe. We'll go backwards in a minute too. Let's try it again. Spilling. Good grip. Move. Come on. Come on. Faster. Faster. Oh. All right, let's go back. Toe to heel. Toe to heel. Good grip. Oh, I got a little crazy at the end. I'll go backwards. Toe to heel. Good grip. Even pressing the trigger, you're noticing and feeling things happening. From here, as I drive the gun out, big splash. Move, 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 move. If I'm getting a big splash like I just did, that is me not trusting my body. I need to smooth it out. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it again. Here we go. Still got almost a full bowl. Here we go. Good grip, mount that gun, move. Heel to toe, heel to toe. I will say, talking, I'm noticing, just my breath coming in and out is causing me some movement. Food for thought about talking while shooting. Interesting. Is this interesting for you? Let's go backwards now. I'm really, as I'm moving, I am thinking to myself, good body posture. I'm not just trying to hold a bowl or a cert gun with water on top of it. I am thinking about my sights, aligned on a target. I'm thinking about making my body a turret, a vise for this gun, a meat vise That's my job. That's your job. To be able to put a round into an intended target regardless of what's going on around you. And if somebody tells you you're goofy for practicing your dance moves in the basement or the living room, show them up at the range when you start smoking Post-it notes while your feet are moving. When you start smoking things that most people have a hard time hitting flat-footed, put some effort in. Must-have skills number 19. We're almost out of the teens, guys. What's coming next? I don't know, but all this moving and shooting has got me parched. Be well, man. Be well. I gotta rig up a new one of these where I can see the sights. I guess I wasn't thinking enough. Don't be dickheads. Nice.